High cholesterol is more common than many people realize. But the good news is that you can lower it naturally with simple lifestyle changes. By focusing on your diet, exercise, and daily habits, you can support a healthier heart without medication. Here are 7 proven strategies to reduce cholesterol levels naturally. 1. Increase your soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is one of the most effective ways to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol. It helps your body remove cholesterol from the bloodstream. Foods rich in soluble fiber include oats, barley, beans, lentils, chia seeds, and apples. Aim for at least 5 to 10 grams per day. A bowl of oats in the morning or adding beans to lunch is an easy start. 2. Choose healthy fats. Not all fats are harmful. Monounsaturated fats can raise HDL, the good cholesterol, while lowering LDL. Excellent sources include olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Simple swaps, like replacing butter with olive oil or adding avocado to meals, can make a noticeable difference. 3. Cut back on trans fats and processed foods. Trans fats are extremely unhealthy for your cholesterol levels. They increase LDL, lower HDL, and promote inflammation. These fats are found in fried foods, pastries, processed snacks, and some margarines. Reducing or eliminating them from your diet can improve cholesterol levels significantly. 4. Increase omega-3 intake. Omega-3 fatty acids don't directly lower LDL, but they protect your heart and reduce triglycerides. Include foods like salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds in your diet 2 to 3 times a week for optimal heart benefits. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Even modest weight loss can lower cholesterol. Losing as little as 5% of your body weight can have a measurable effect. Focus on small, consistent changes like smaller portions, cutting back on sugar, and walking daily. 6. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise boosts HDL cholesterol and helps prevent arterial buildup. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity most days. Brisk walking, cycling, home workouts, or dancing. Anything that raises your heart rate counts. 7. Reduce sugar and refined carbs. Excess sugar and white carbs can raise triglycerides and negatively impact cholesterol. Opt for whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and high-fiber foods instead to stabilize energy and support heart health. Final thoughts. Lowering your cholesterol naturally is entirely achievable. By making small but consistent changes, adding fiber, exercising, and choosing heart-healthy foods, you can protect your heart and improve overall well-being. Start today, and your body will thank you.